Welcome to the CoPOS Price Rounding Methods video. Let's examine the different price rounding methods in CoPOS and how to change them. When using option 8.1, enter item pricing, CoPOS will use the selected rounding method after taking into account cost and margin. From the main menu, we will go into option 9.1, Store Settings. Next, we'll select Save and Continue. Then select 10, More, and then arrow down to number 4, Item Price Rounding Method. Your store's current rounding method will be highlighted. We now see a brief description of the different rounding methods. Let's go through these. Number 1, round up to the next 5 or 9, 5-9 roundup. So an item price of $3.32 would get rounded up to $3.35. An item price of $3.37 would get rounded up to $3.39. Prices ending in 5 or 9 would not get rounded. Number 2, round up to the next 9, 9 roundup. So an item price of $3.30 would get rounded up to $3.39. Prices ending in 9 would not get rounded. Number 3, 9 roundup number 3. Round up to the next 9 unless the decimal place is less than 11. These prices would get rounded down to 99. So this is very similar to the last method, but if an item price is $3.10, this would get rounded down to $2.99. Item prices ending in 9 will not get rounded, except for 09, which would get rounded down to 99. Number 4, round up to the next 0 or 5, 0.5 roundup. So an item price of $3.32 would get rounded up to $3.35. An item price of $3.37 would get rounded up to $3.40. Item prices ending in 0 or 5 would not get rounded. Number 5, round to the closest 9, 9 round closest. So an item price of $3.32 would get rounded down to $3.29, and an item price of $3.37 would get rounded up to $3.39. Prices ending in 9 would not get rounded. Number 6, smart round. Prices are always rounded up, and the amount of the round increases as the item price increases. Item prices under $2.99 get rounded up to the nearest 19, 39, 69, or 99 cents. Item prices between $3 and $5.99 get rounded up to the nearest 39, 69, or 99 cents. Item prices between $6 and $9.99 get rounded up to the nearest 69 and 99 cents. Prices over $10 get rounded up to the nearest 99 cents. Number 7, do not round. For more explanations and examples, note the Help tab in the choice bar. We'll go ahead and select 5-9 up, which is the first method. Then yes to confirm. Now we are asked if we want to change the current item prices to reflect the new rounding method. We'll say no to this. Note that if we had said yes, an item list would have been created of all the items with price changes, which could then be used to print updated shelf tags. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.